Hello, this is Arno from Vintage Visual. In today's video, we're going to look over the maintenance and some common problems with AGO film processor. So let's get into it. So first tip, how to clean the AGO. If you're rinsing the AGO under the tap water, make sure always that this hole where the pressure membrane, so it's clean of water after the washing. Also, it's wise to do the final rinse of your film upwards. The AGO is attached like that, and the tap water is rinsing going into here. This will basically automatically wash your AGO. Some steps like C41 have the stabilizer. After you're doing the stabilizer, wash your tank and reels and AGO thoroughly, because it can ruin the next session. Or when doing the stabilizer, take off the AGO. So just pour the stabilizer into the tank and just shake it like that. Second thing, the USB-C hole. We have here one silicon plug. This can get lost quite easily, unfortunately. You can use some tape to cover that. So the chemicals, especially some bleacher, which oxidizes quite rapidly, can't get into there. A third one, if you're using a new Paterson tank with your AGO, make sure it doesn't leak. You can check it by pouring in the water in the horizontal position and looking from where it's leaking. If it's leaking between the red plastic, you can solve this problem by gluing the outer ring of the Paterson tank. And the fourth one, there has been some rumors that it's so hard to put the AGO on the tank, but actually it's not. So first, place it like that, fiddle a bit fat back and forth so it pops in. And now you can use a bit of your upper body weight to just squeeze it in, and look that the tank and the AGO is parallel and there is no gaps. After that, it's waterproof. If you're experiencing some problems, feel free to contact us through support@vintagevisual.eu. Thank you for watching and see you another one.